Hello traders! Stocks ended the day higher today with the Nasdaq hitting its 11-year high and the Qs also made a new high here today at 62.25. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, February 7th of 2012 and we are looking at the Qs daily chart. So let's take a look at our chart and analyze it here a little bit to help you understand what's happening at this point in time. So as you can see, we have that huge unfilled gap right there between the high of February 2nd, which was at the 61.41, and then the low of today, which is at 61.67. So this gap needs to be filled, but it has not been filled yet. Okay, so pay close attention to that because it's significant. And as you can see, we are starting to build and starting to put on a new high base at the top of this long rally that we've had here so far. Okay, so that is another thing that I want you to keep your eye on. And the other thing, very important thing for you to look at, is the new high that we made here on our daily chart today, which is again at the 62.25. So what we need to pay close attention to tomorrow is the high of today, which is the 62.25. If we ever break through it, close above it, then we would have some more potential to the upside and this low high base would be confirmed. Okay, that would be a low breakout through that high base. But if we do instead pull back down a little bit, trying to fill that gap, we could pull back down to that low area support down here at about the 61.22, where you also see the 8 moving average, which is here in green. So we are still above the 8 moving average, which is bullish. And check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD has never made it to that previous high that we had right here, and it's making a lower high right now at this moment. As you can see that trend line right here, we never tested it, right? So pay close attention to that as well. And then if we ever go down on the MACD and then we push higher on the Qs, that would be a pretty nice divergence. But we're going to talk about this later when we see it happening. So that is what you need to pay close attention to. Look for confirmation with the MACD. Look what the MACD is doing. And then first of all, you need to look at the chart to look for a specific pattern. And then look down at the MACD to confirm it. All right? And then the volume. Now it's below the average. It was above the average right here, but now we are staying below the average. So the volume is not really significant at this moment. So watch that as well to look for a better confirmation. All right, yeah, so you know what to do tomorrow. Again, the high of 62.25 as well as the 8 moving average, which is at 61.22. So watch those areas of support and resistance really closely. And again, look for confirmation with the MACD and with the volume. Alright, so have a wonderful day, evening, and safe trading to all of you out there tomorrow.